For us, it's mainly through social media. We try also to be really hands-on with our customers and our patients. One of the reasons we opened a retail location in North Smithfield, Rhode Island, which is kind of, right in the midst of, I live in Millville, which is the next town over. It's in the community we live. We wanted to have a venue where people who were interested could come to the store and feel comfortable to talk to people who could guide them and give them advice and, really be hands-on. I take an interest in all the people that are looking to us to buy these products because I want them to have a good experience, but I also want them to be well. I want them to feel better. They're coming to us for that reason. So we really try to be hands-on. We do a number of events in the community, getting out and educating about cannabis, about CBD and how to use these products. We've done things at different doctors' offices, and we even spoke at an elder care facility where I think they were a little bit interested in some of the patients knowing a little bit about CBD, and they were open to sort of implementing it. So any chance we get to do things like that or events like that where we can obviously plug our brand, but educate the community and talk to them and answer questions and just try to make them feel comfortable with, using these types of products.